All right, Todd's back. I could have told you a year ago that it was going to be a storm on this day.
Why?
My wife's birthday.
Just seems fitting.
Storm, wife, boom. just writes itself.
I'm not commenting.
Well, here's the thing.
It makes sense.
Here's the thing.
But I'm not commenting.
It's okay because Karen would be like, "Yep, she knows. She's well aware."
Happy birthday, honey.
She has self-awareness. Happy birthday, Karen.
You
Yeah.
should play the Storm Center song for her.
Yeah, instead of singing
It's her
Happy
theme
Birthday.
when she walks into a room.
Is that her ringtone?
Anyway.
Happy birthday, Karen. She's a lot younger than you, huh?
Okay, keep going.
Like way younger. All right, let's get to this radar. Snow falling across southern and western Maine. It's cold out. This is sticking. There's some of it coming down at a pretty good rate too. Greater Portland area, steady, moderate to heavy snow right now. Back through Westbrook and over to Gorham, Buxton, and then as you go north into the Oxford Hills, we have steady snow here too. And this is pretty heavy right now, right over Lewiston, on up to Turner if you head up Route 4, and then into the Oxford Hills, Rumford included. And it's probably about an inch at this point. Mallory Brooks has been sending me some updates every so often. She's got some accumulation there. Roads are not good. Flurries and light snow on the mid-coast all the way through Augusta and Waterville now. Still waiting in Bangor. Not expecting anything substantial until mid to late morning, so still a few hours out. But look how cold it is, only around 15, and way colder in the county. It's 15 below in Presque Isle at this moment. We're actually getting lucky to not see more snow. I mean, I guess it's a perspective thing. I actually love the snow, so I'm kind of disappointed, but others are not. So anyway, if we were into this storm here, which is a little too far south, this could easily have been close to a foot. But it's all upper level energy that we're going to see, which hangs around into the evening. So these flakes will be with us well after dark tonight. Snow breaking out and steadiest across the south and west. Roads are greasy, they're slick, they're slippery, they're snow covered. Please be careful for this morning drive. Midday, a few things happen. The snow fills in all the way up through Bangor, Brewer, Ellsworth, and Bar Harbor. The intensity also picks up, but temperatures will be rising. We're going to have a gusty breeze along the coastline coming in out of the east. That'll add a little warmth to that air, and we'll get up to around the freezing mark. So I think the snow accumulation on pavement will become less efficient. On the snow, obviously, and decks and other places where it's 32 or below, it's going to continue to accumulate pretty well. But I wouldn't be shocked if the roads actually get a little better during the middle of the day. Steady snow continues all the way through the evening commute. So we're still going to look at here slushy and slippery roads, and then everything kind of shuts off by about midnight tonight. The snow map, I increased the range a little bit, 4 to 8 for all of us. I think the 7 and 8 inch amounts will be on the other side of 95, interior York and Cumberland counties, some of the Oxford Hills, back into the lakes of New Hampshire, but 5, 6, maybe 7 right along the coast for Portland. Same thing for Lewiston, about that for Augusta. Here's your 4-inch line right through Bangor. North of there, it's 2 to 4 inches, and most of that comes later on today. There still might be a lingering flake at dawn tomorrow, but then sun comes out. We get melting in the afternoon. We're hitting like 40, 42 degrees. Pretty nice tomorrow afternoon. A second storm system rolls through tomorrow night and Thursday morning. It's much smaller. It's also warmer. It's a rain-snow mix along the coast, probably a little slush. 1 to 3 inches of snow inland. Still looking at our third storm Friday night into Saturday. This one's probably the biggest. Cold air comes south from Canada, gets locked in here on Friday. This storm, this low, will be just as large as the one that's south of us right now, but closer to us. Goes right over Nantucket. So we actually get into that precipitation shield. Cold enough for all snow and potential for double-digit snowfall, perhaps right around 10. We'll see how that plays out. Gale warning, seas 5 to 8, east winds gusty today. Snow tapering off tonight. Again, either side of 6 inches of snow can be expected. Tomorrow, partly sunny and mild, 40. We get a little slush on Thursday morning. Cold for Friday, 30 to 35. And then that bigger storm looks likely Friday night through at least midday Saturday, tapering off in the afternoon.
Oh my gosh, talk about packing it all in a short
Packing it
period
all
of
in,
time.
yep. And the snow not melting in between
Right.
storms much, and it looks cold to me too, right through the middle of March. So this is a true winter pattern that we are in.
In like a lion,
I'm
out
not
like a
saying
lamb.
that.
I know you hate it. That's why I brought it up. I'm wearing a lion costume tomorrow just to goad you.
Just to get, yeah.
Thank you, sir.